In this video, we will talk about two careers at the University of Physical and Mathematical Science.
Hi, I'm Karen of the career IT security.
Hi, I am Martin Eduardo Marquez Arriola and I study Science Computational.
My name is Emilio Naftali Villarreal Rodriguez and I study computer science.
Hi, I'm Luis and I'm going to talk about a computer science major.
I'm Claudia Carolina and I am a student of IT security.
Below we present the following interview with two students of the Information Security career.
Hello, you study the university?
Yeah, my name is Claudia Carolina Garcia Reyes and I am a student of major of Security Information Technologies.
Yeah. What are your skills you need to study this career?
The qualities that people that want to enroll with the Security Information major must have are pretty straightforward. Security professionals must have a good sense of what is good and what is bad. In the industry, there is a fine line between what is good and what is bad. In this major, is pretty important that they need to know what is good and what can affect other people or make damage to other people or to their integrity. And they need to know what kind of behavior and discretion they need to know at the work by the nature of the major or of this work needs. In addition, security professionals should be proactive. Security should be implemented before any kind of breach is done. They must develop solutions before issues become a real problem, and usually that leads to a final quality, which is to be able to talk and explain yourself with the words necessary to make a non-professional understand what IT security is about. In skills, certainly IT security covers a lot. In one hand, we have developed of application, which is very important. That is the way the users interact with the system. We don't see common users communication to a command line to our system. We need to comprehend, or we need to know that we are the information that we read, it's about people. It's not just information and computing. We need to know that are people that they have family, they have I don't know, they have fields, and it's very important to see to us. In addition to this information, security professionals should also be involved in social skills such as social engineering, awareness training, and even physical security implementation.
Can you share with us your point of view about what you can offer to the work and labor field? I mean, what you can do in a company or what you can do or contribute to create a better world, a society, and so on.
Okay, a graduate of IT security is a professional of social responsibility that, with a strong ethics, is qualified to keep information and information assets, integrity, confidentiality, and availability by responsibly applying technology and process control based on identifying risks, vulnerabilities, and the evaluation of taken risks. in order achieve goals as well as legal, normative, social, political, technical, and economical commitments and goals of organization to assure the continuous success based on information technology. The job opportunities that we can take is software designer, software development, system analyst, database administrator, web designer, administrator in information security, to access operation and application system. About information security, we can be information security policy designer, information technology infrastructure designer, forensic information researcher, disaster recovery consultant. And about the network administrator, we can be implementation of telecommunication in different transmission technologies, interconnection network designer, and policy administrator on device media transmissions. And this.
In the following interview, we present the point of opinion of the student of the career of computer science.
Okay, from a practical point of view, a computer is a tool to process information in the shape of zeros and ones to gain a specific result. This process or manipulation is carried out by following an algorithm or sequence of instructions named software component of program. The use of computer is not intended to be fashionable or trendy. It must help us to solve problems, take competitive advantage, or innovate in order to provide a better service to the customer and seek a greater understanding of it, among other uses.
Luis, what the qualities or skills do you need to study this career?
Okay, I think the first one and the most important is interested or be interested in a science and research. The ability and capacity to understand, solve, and apply the different mathematics models is the second one. The third one, I think that this is a vocation of service for the comprehensive solution to society's problems. Other is the ability to be part of interdisciplinary working teams to face the challenge demanded by a scientific and industrial society, and it needs to be organized with all the things that involve programming. A computer science person needs to be or have logic, be good in math and relaxed, because in some cases when you're programming, the problem make it crash or something like that, and you need must have to resolve the problem, sometimes with a time specific, or maybe with if the program is by your own, sometimes you maybe get confused or stressed or something like that. Okay, Martin, tell me the basic knowledge, abilities, or competence that you have been acquiring during these semesters at your major.
Yeah, in this career, learned about several techniques of the programming and skill on IT, knowledge as a database and mathematics and other subjects, such as management of the operation system. I study in this semester um, subject for the information security and project management, knowledge that is focused to the different paths of computer science, which later we will use to indicate ourselves in the some industry, and you do to these skills and these qualities to you any.
Okay, Emilio, can you share with us your point of view about what you can offer to the work and labor field? I mean, what you can do in a company and what you can do or contribute to create a better work, a society, and so on.
Yeah, well, in my opinion, a graduate in major in communication science is a professional complement in mathematical methodologies, techniques, and models of analysis, deployment and maintaining on the information and communication technology. The professional know about administration, a profitable business process, design and implementation methodologies, communication network manager, and basic knowledge in the fields of nanotechnology and biotechnology. Uh, Competencies of the major in science competence graduates is analysis business process to determine areas of opportunity and design channels that help organization to be more efficient and safe processes by using information technology tools. Create software to automate process of the industry of organization, whether manufacture, finance, or commercial through the use of cutting-edge computer tools. Design combines technology that allows organizations to be linked internal and externally, meeting the internationally standards suggested by A3AI. Suggestion alternative solution to systems of communication technology in conflict and or already implemented system integrated innovative service in the industry, technical and government fields. What merits for graduation for these programs? Well, for people that graduate in my career can be e-commerce, solution deployment for web and application software, networks and technology service managers, database manager, deploy of application in nanotechnology and
Very
bioinformatics.
well. This is all. I hope you help several and see you next.